In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways you can make money with Canva in 2025, even with no design degree, no team, and no ads. Now, before we dive in, if you want done for you digital products you can customize, rebrand, and sell without starting from scratch, check out the Digital Goldmine PLR membership. And if we haven't met before, hello, my name is Karen, and I help beginner digital product creators launch fast, sell confidently, and finally get consistent income without tech overwhelm or huge followers. If that's what you're after, you're definitely in the right place. Now let's get started with the first way to make money with Canva, and that is to sell editable templates on Etsy. Canva and Etsy is a money machine. I create, for example, templates like invitations, social media templates, website templates, lead magnet templates. I get a template link from Canva and I drop it inside a clickable PDF and I upload right into Etsy. Buyers can then download, click the PDF, and instantly edit the template. And the best part is that it's their own template, it's a copy. It's never going to mess around with your original design. Another thing that I love about this is that I don't touch a single thing. This is pure passive income once you set it up right. The second way that I make money with Canva is to create and sell digital products. I use Canva to create also journals, workbooks, printables, ebooks. I list them on places like Stan Store, Shopify, and promote them through my content. These products cost me zero to make and sell over and over and over again. Third way that I make money with Canva is design mockups that actually convert. So Canva has a feature called Smart Mockups, and that helps me showcase my digital products beautifully. Think like iPad displaying a digital planner or a printable shown in a cozy flat lay, an ebook previewed in a tablet. Like these aren't just pretty pictures, they build trust, and trust equals sales. So do not sleep on creating your mockups. I know some people that they spend so much time creating their product, and then when it comes to their mockups, what's actually going to sell, they completely just make it really fast or they forget to even make it at all. Please make sure that you are creating beautiful mockups. Because remember, digital products are not tangible. So we want to make sure that our customer knows exactly what they're getting. So if we display beautiful, whether that is a computer or a tablet or a phone or even an array of different digital products put together, like your customer is going to see, okay, this is what I'm getting. The fourth way that I use Canva to make money is to build content that sells. Canva is also how I grow my audience and drive sales. So I create things like carousels for Instagram, lead magnets like checklists and free guides. And then every piece of content links back to my offer. I use Canva to make sales focused content that actually converts. And the fifth way that you can make money with Canva is to actually get PLR products that were designed in Canva. This one's actually sneaky good. You can grab PLR products, PLR stands for private label rights, and you could customize them in Canva. You can customize the design, you can add your branding, you can add your own voice to the digital product, and then you can list that into Etsy or Stan Store. This is how you can create dozens of products without starting from scratch. So as you can see here, Canva is not just a design tool. It's an income system if you use it with strategy. You don't need fancy tech, a big following, or 10 years of experience. You just need one good product and one good platform to start. So I would love to know which one of these 5 income streams are you already doing and which one are you going to try next? Tell me in the comments below. Now, if you have no idea what to sell, you can always grab my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide and start with the ideas people are already searching for. And if you want a shortcut to the entire creation process, definitely join us inside the Digital Goldmine PLR membership where you get instant access to done for you digital products every single month. Both links are going to be in the description box below. And next up, watch this video where I show you which templates are actually worth making in 2025. So you're not guessing, wasting time, or burning out. I'll see you there.